Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving into a fascinating blog post about the different coding hats a programmer might wear. It's all about adapting your coding style to the situation, not just aiming for some mythical, perfect code. Exciting, right?
Absolutely. So this isn't about good versus bad code, but about context? I'm intrigued.
Exactly. The author draws a parallel to Edward de Bono's 6 thinking hats, suggesting we adopt different approaches depending on the task. He outlines 5 coding hats: Captain, Scrappy, MacGyver, Chef, and Teacher. Each one represents a distinct coding philosophy.
The captain's hat sounds like the traditional, meticulous approach. Thorough testing, small commits, code reviews, the whole 9 yards, right? Like mission-critical systems.
Precisely. Think of it as the safety-first approach, crucial when a bug could bring down millions of systems. It's about minimizing risk, but, the author stresses, this isn't always the best approach.
I see. So what's the Scrappy hat all about then? Sounds a bit less formal?
Yeah, the Scrappy hat is all about speed and efficiency. Minimal testing, no code reviews, just get something working quickly. Think minimum viable product, a quick prototype. Perfect for early-stage startups or exploring ideas.
Okay, got it. And the MacGyver hat, is that the hack-it-together approach?
Exactly. It's about getting results, no matter how messy the code. It's for when you need to quickly test an idea or explore a solution before investing time in a clean implementation. Think performance optimization. Quickly test several approaches before refining the best one.
Interesting. So the chef's hat is about making the code beautiful, right? Like a well-presented dish?
Yes, it's about code presentation and readability. The author cautions against overusing this one, though. It's easy to get caught up in polishing code that doesn't need it. It's about balance.
And finally, the teacher's hat. Is that for educational purposes?
Yes, this hat is all about communication. The code's clarity and understandability are paramount, even if it means sacrificing efficiency or perfect error handling. Think example code or tutorial code. It's about teaching, not necessarily optimal performance.
So it's about choosing the right hat for the job. A really interesting concept. It's not about one right way to code, but about adapting your approach to the context. I like it.
Exactly. The author emphasizes the importance of being deliberate about your approach and considering whether a different hat might be more suitable. It's about flexibility and understanding the trade-offs involved in each approach. A very insightful post.
Definitely. Thanks for breaking it down. It's a great reminder to be mindful of our coding styles and how they can be adapted to different situations. Very useful.
You're welcome. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.